All right. How's it going? How are you guys doing? Hello, MBE. Is there any other chat in the chat? Or are we alone? We might be alone. It's all good. All good. I appreciate you being here, MBE. I appreciate you. How was your day? How was your day? Alright, let's get this shit going. I don't know if we're gonna be able to make code, but let's pretend. Your chat is here too. My biggest fan! I appreciate all my fans, okay? No matter the race. Literally. This is not a racist comment, okay? Nah. Alright. A nice, slow day. Happy to see that. Happy to see that. To me... I'm happy that the day is good. That the day is done. God damn. Can we not have a war while I'm doing like the job that is getting fucked? Can we not? Can I get back to like not being violated by calls? I would like it, please. I like how it was. Alright. Alright. So I thought I had a thought, okay? So, whenever I was thinking about get and set, I had this big issue where I was trying to... I prefer nuke dev. Oh, okay, because I wrote oil dev? Yeah, based. I prefer nuclear dev too. But hey, we gotta roll with oil, okay? We gotta roll with that oil. So, the way that I was thinking about it is that I had these, like, insane fucking calls that were going to require multiple tables to be, like, synchronized together and have specific rules whenever you had those multiple table working together. And the example for this is everything that has to do with AST, right? Because you had the main AST table, and you had the, like, AST include, you had the AST struct, and you could have like a concept that would use multiple of these like together, and that would be something that we would have to handle. But not only that, it would need to be unique, right? You couldn't have a thing here. How can I say that? The values in here are not technically unique, but the values in here are unique, or the values in here are unique. So this fucked my brain a lot. Hello, Cardian. I don't know if I said it. Happy to see you. This fucked my brain a lot. But then I had the voice of reason in my head, okay? The little MBE voice. This thing, okay? And what it says, and what it said, okay? It said one word. View. Okay. So I understand that what I'm going to talk about is not a view, but the idea in my head is that instead of trying to fit the like multiple table thing inside of get and set, which at this point we're just building a new DB, right? We're just building a whole new fucking DB and we're doing a bunch of bullshit. We could just create a new command that is made for that. And this command has specific rules to it that only applies when we use this specific thing. So the only time that I will use this, right, that I will need to make these big ass queries, and when I say need, I mean like need, not could use because it's funny. So the only time that I will need this will be when I need multiple like columns to have that unique feature, right? We don't want duplicates between the elements that work with this and the element that work with this. Anyway, fuck, I don't know how to phrase this. I hope this is logical. We don't need duplicates, so each time that I call this command, I'm calling it view for now. Each time that I will call a view, it will need to be like unique, and it will have like these feature by default, so I don't have to worry about, oh, do I implement it there? Do I do this then? No, it always requires it to be unique. And I will like implement some standardized way to send a view, to like send the data for a view. That way we're just going to have to implement the view inside of CAST. So each of our concept, our AST concept, will be like a view each, and we're gonna be able to like send that easier. Okay, so this is my brain right now. Views are cool, yes. Give me the views. All systems are built on hope and duct tape. Yes, but right now we're actually making the duct tape modular, okay? So we're doing pretty fucking good, okay? The new design is awesome. I like your fuck. I don't know how to say it, okay? But your idea on like how to handle multiple things differently, but like not have to fucking destroy all the code. Just have to switch one file. Anyway. Thank you, MB. Thank you. So. We need to implement set and yet. Suicide inbound. Okay. So. Now that we know that we are only handling one table at a time, we should be able to make everything positional. We don't have to do some fucky shit. So, what we could do, instead of using columns, we could just do column. Well, it would be cuter without. Okay, we can do column, and we're gonna be able to just use column as is without starring it the fuck out each time. Okay. Alright, so like a set command, we should like fucking put documentation in there. Write things as they should. Like a set command should look... Okay, so a set command technically would be name of the table dot set and then what you put inside of it. Okay, so it would be something like mtag dot set parenthesis the values. Okay, maybe this is not the best table for this. And the value would be something like none for the ID. And then debug thing. Okay. So this would be how it works. All right. Goddamn, my throat. Okay, here I'm already seeing an issue. The issue is that our sets are delayed, right? We need to do sets at the end. Yes. Okay. Let me just check a quick thing. How did I handle this, like, store thingy? Okay, so I would do .store, where it is stored. Alright, this feels kind of bad, though. This should be encoded another way. So we should probably just do CS store, add a value for if it's an old or new concept. Because you could have an old bridge file or a new bridge file, right? Or an old file or a new file. So we could store old and new concept with a true or false at the start. And after that, instead of doing this, we could just... No, this is good. This is a good way to write it. I like this writing, okay? I like this. Okay, so let's keep it like we're doing. That's a good writing. But this needs to change. So we're going to have to edit store. But let's not think about that now. So before we had something that was able to return either the... Okay, fuck. We need to think about it. Okay, so there's two things that we could return to, let's say, a get set, just to make it simple, right? We have a get set here. There's two things that this could return right away. So it could either return a tuple with the value, or it could return a to be processed function. Yes, that's okay. So let's implement this. Because set needs to be able to return these things. And right now it's not able to. Right now it just sends it to TE set. Well, I guess would we want the table engine to do some processing there? Like maybe is there some optimization we could see in the future with set and unique? No processing, just save. You're right. So then what I should do... We're getting back to the actual set kind of thing. But here, I shouldn't actually send to TE set. I should send an expression to be processed later. So some kind of class that is made for it that will encrypt like this and be able to set it. Okay. And later on, when we process, then it would actually call this. Okay, let's go look at what we did, create a new thing, and then live with it. Oh yeah, and there's the idea of referencing a thing. Fuck, I'm a retard. I need to think about that too. Okay. Okay, I want to check how we... Wrong page. How we reference thing. We did cs get ref. That makes sense. But it's instead here, like I would like us to be able to do this, right? And then be able to say if it's the, like, old version. That would be cute. I would still like to be able to do this. This would be very cool. Because I don't like the idea of having the quotes. Well, no, sorry, well, okay, we could make this a property. I think that's the name. Like a thing that we don't have to have the parenthesis for it to execute. So we could make this a property. And the property, what it would do is it would return self, so the object itself, and the name after the dot. So that way we would have these two values, and it would be clean as fuck whenever we write it. So we would be able to do like oldbridge.fid. Bro, if we could have dot old, that would be fucking unhinged. Oh man. That would be cute. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Okay, I'm starting to like the ideas. Let's try that. Okay. Let's just make sure that I remember properties alright. Bing! Give me my points. So it would be fget. Okay. Okay, so I guess I can just do this. Wait a minute. I'm having a thought. Okay, I'm having a thought. For column in... Let's copy this. For column in init column. Set attribute self. And then the name that we will use will be column 0. And then the value that we give would be the magical tuple that says self. And the name of the column. And because we've got some big nuts, we could also map fucking hell. This would be false because it's the new one. I think I'm cooking, okay? I have no fucking clue how I'm going to test this. But I'm sure I'm cooking right now. Okay. If this works, I don't fucking know what I'm doing, okay? I don't know. So technically here, we just need one argument to the getRef, and it will give us all the information that we need, right? Because we can get the FID, or we could get the old FID. And here the name would need to be the actual name of the thing. So this. Trying to think how this could fail. I guess passing an object is not smart, so I should pass the name of the object. Counterstrike.store. True. So like here I should do name. Right, that's a thing. Fair enough. So it will probably save me a lot of problems, because let's keep in mind that this will be triggered while in multicore. So we could fuck up a lot of things if we don't... If we're not intelligent. Oh shit, wrong place, wrong place. That's there that I was thinking about. Alright. Okay. Let's fuck around with getref a bit. So... Oh, that would mean that whenever we store something, we will also need to create the name for the thing. Wait a second, wait a second. So store, let's remove this argument here. I guess. Wait a second. Okay, first of all, this is fair. Hello, fellow politics enthusiast. How is your oil? Right now, I'm having a hard time with my brain, okay? But we'll make it, we'll make it. Okay, let's fucking flesh out this idea a bit more. So this is cute, okay? I like this idea. Now, why not repeat it? Like for set, if instead of returning TE set, yep, that sounds rough, my friend. So instead of using this, we could return this. Return tuple. And it would be kind of an encoded thing. So you would have the tuple. At the start, you would have the table that it's a part of. So like the name of the table. So you could do self.name again. So like self.name. Then it would have to be the type of action. So here it would be a get. Sorry, a set. Or maybe here it should be a number. Let's be lean, motherfuckers. Set is 1. And then we would have the actual columns. So like... Well, technically I could do this. Yeah. So now I have a nifty little way to send that comment and that command without executing it. And I would need to do the same thing here. And here, because it's a get, it would be like 0. -0 based. Repetition is how we get good. True. Get good. Not searching. I want to save. Greetings, Nigma. Maybe the get was a bit retarded. So we should just, tell T to use this standard, maybe? Or, no. No. Here's the idea. That makes sense now. So we use the same encoding. Yeah, that's fair as fuck. Don't apologize, Nigma. We're all happy that you're there. I was late, technically. Alright. Okay, let's just keep it to one thing. Okay, so here we have some kind of encoding. So now let's make shit work together. Give us uranium and we will forgive you, Enigma. True. All we need is a bit more you. Okay. All right, let's make store work. Let's make store work. So what we could do is store fucking hell. Okay. Okay. This for that. Now we want to store things inside of a dict. So when we store inside of that dict, brain not braining, yes. Okay, so we need to store. We need a store dick and a store dick old. That's the first thing. So that we split them and we don't fuck them over and that we can, like, use the same code. Okay. So this makes sense. Now, how do we switch between store and old? I guess we can just do store old with the same fucking thing. Yes, chief, this is what we're going to do. So, okay. So now that we're storing shit, wait, no, that's retarded. That's retarded. Okay. Okay, we need some kind of prefix system along with this. Okay, let's reverse this. Okay. Okay. Trying to brain the brain in. It's alright, Nigma. You gotta love them viruses. Okay. Okay. So let's make it that we combine the first item inside of item and name in order to give us what we put in here. So this will allow us, because what I'm thinking here is that we're going to have an issue where whenever we get to the AST, we will have some overlap within the names of what we like put into the DB, because we put so many times the same bullshit into the DB. Well, not technically the same bullshit. So for CAST, I'll put like some kind of standardized way to put like the line number or something. Who gives a fuck? So I'll be able to enforce it through name. But for all of the other thing, because they're generic, not going to use this. Okay. So here, this would be... Could do... If... Name. So if we have something in name, we would do this. Alright, and this gives us our position inside of CS. Okay. This Sounds fairly good. And then, do we even want to return something? Is there any use to us returning something? I guess you could, but you would be misusing the fuck out of this. Nah. Okay. And else, here we could do this. Okay. And name could be also used to say that it's an old thing, right? So that would be how it could be encoded. Ooh. Fuck, then we need to encode it too. By looking at the value here. Wait, why did we need this? It was for getref. And here they use .old. Wait, I'm losing myself. I'm not smart enough for this today. Am I? Focus is out of reach. Let's not even fucking stop. Because we got some steel gnats. Oil. Yeah, I was way the fuck wrong yesterday when I said, well, maybe oil prices won't go up. Holy fuck. They're gonna fly. Actually, I think I dream about the music sometime. But it, like, the issue is that I don't want to bother myself, like, finding a music without copyright. And I won't survive, like, no music. What about Dirty Coal? You're so... No. You're wrong, okay? It's Clean Coal. Fucking retards. Holy shit, who believes this shit? Clean Coal. Give me a fucking cup of soot with that shit. That's fair, MB. Okay, wait, but where... Wait, when do I store? Bro. Get me the fuck back in. Okay, it was there that I... Oh, okay, I'm a retard. Thank you. Thank you beaucoup. Okay. What the fuck is this? That's a rock? Rock. We need more RAM. I would like to have your brain, Nigma. Oh, coal. Spam them rams. Found. Oh, okay. It's called that you found. I like the decoy ram. Just fucking like, you know what? I fucked my keyboard 16 times. It doesn't work. Ram. Just push a fucking ram to screen, okay? This is what we need. Alright. Some of that LNG. RAM. Yes, exactly. You got it. You need to do like the car commercial. Oh fuck, you guys are EU. Wait. Alright. We're putting this shit on hold. And I'll watch the sound. This is way too American, bro. We got this shit in Canada, okay?
Your calling. Some people find theirs at an early age. Others, later in life. Our calling was to build trucks. And that's why trucks are what we do. We put our everything into every truck. So that when you find your calling, nothing can stop you from answering.
Now during the Ram Make This the Summer event, get $1,000 cash allowance, plus finance, and get no monthly payments for 90 days on the purchase of most 2025 Ram 1500 trucks.
The fucking brand power. Okay, sorry. Didn't they have a RAM at the end? No, they didn't say that? It's so fucking cringe too, because it's all like these, oh, we're going to like all shit with our truck. But you just know that most of these people are never, they don't even know how to fucking put something at the back of their truck. Okay, they don't. Drew! Can I have my sponsor now? Can I have my sponsor? I know they're never going to pay as much as the scammer do, okay? If only. Truck people are like gaming PC enthusiasts. They have no idea what they are doing or why. That's fucking true. I think that most enthusiasts are fucking retards. What do you disagree about, Volt? Because I'm going to... I'm going to debate, okay? You have fucking 1 HP Maple here. It's your time to shine. Oh no, you triggered him. And look at that, Volt will not disagree with me, will disagree with like Guardian. And I'll be fucking done. The PC enthusiast thing. Well. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Let's think about this like with a 1 HP brain. PC enthusiasts are way less bad than truck people. Because truck people actually pollute way the fuck more and will waste way more resources than the PC guys. Like, the truck people are absolutely unhinged. Like, the wastage is fucking over the top. But the PC guys, like the worst of the worst of the worst, will be like changing PC every year for like a custom thing. But even then, you won't be able to blow as much cash. So you won't have wasted as much resource. So maybe if I look at this critically, Vault is right. Okay. They are not comparable. One is clearly worse than the other. If that was your disagreement. If not, go fuck yourself. Become Rowan? What the fuck is Rouen? Rouen? Are you talking about the Rouen Aranda? Fucking. Okay, guys. We're all going to Rouen, okay? Just give me Google Map, bitch. We're all going to Rouen, okay? Give me fucking a Rouen. A Rouen. Okay. Brain Rock Rain. Show the video up there. Rouen is a fucking hellhole, by the way. Why does it exist? They miss. Is there any real amount of gold? Bro, if you don't... I'm a gold member, okay? Well, it's not that bad. Wait a minute. I gotta compare, okay? Bro. Sounds good. Anyway. Let's just check. Bro, why, fuck. Why did I write gold anywhere? We know nothing will come out of it. Bro, can I... Glencore. Glencore suspended 300 million investment to reduce emission at Quebec smelter. Oh. Oh no. Glencore said it has gradually reduced the level of arsenic coming out of its emission stack. Oh, wait. Oh man. Didn't they... Were they the one that polluted? Like that the pollution would go behind the school? Tell me that that's the one. Like they tested the fucking school near the place and was like... Bro, there's arsenic at the school. What the fuck are you doing? I guess it's not that one. Because it was a nice meme, okay? Nice meme. Okay, can I be honest? How much do I give a shit about pollution here? There's nothing. For real, if you live here and you're like, oh my god, there's arsenic in the air. Just move! What the fuck are you doing there? I'm sorry. I just don't give a shit. You're literally in fucking hellscape, Quebec. Anyway. Why are we discussing gold from something I made up? Because I'm sleepy. 15 Bing awards go to waste because of Incognito. No! Not my fucking points! Oh. You know what, we're that short, okay? From making it a literal section of the stream to do Bing rewards like activities. Ah, fresh arsenic smell in the morning. True. Because people have memoried feeling, Maple. Ah, the fresh smell. No, you don't have a... Okay, I'm sorry, you don't have memories of wine, okay? It's a little bit like... Bro. Like, nobody's like... Oh, man. You know the house where I was getting fucking chain raped at? Oh man, I have such great memories. Bro, nobody. Nobody, okay? Maybe they have a secret society there. I guess so. Holy fuck. They have a university? What does it look like? Is it like a fucking condo? The freaking birds again. They could be refining uranium there to overthrow the government base. Oh well, you have some fucking arguments there, MB. You have some strong fucking arguments. MB is... Oh, it's by our eagle dude. You gotta like the eagle. I like the open pit. Okay, that's the best part. Oh man, the BTB gold belt. There is no... No, that doesn't fit. That ain't fitting, okay? Bro, I kind of want to see this, okay? Fuck the arsenic. That looks cool. Can we have more pictures? No, not you, fucking Jordan. Wow. Meilleure façon de travailler, c'est en sécurité. Vroom vroom. Okay. Robert. $8 millionth ounce. Bro. Is this USD? Wait a minute. That's not a lot. That's not a lot. Okay, price per ounce. Can I, like... Okay. Okay, 5,000. That times... They said 8 million. Okay. Okay. Okay, now it feels way the fuck bigger. Have I fucked a number here? $42 billion? I fucked a number here. Anyway, who gives a fuck? Holy crap, he's doing mine. John Miner the second. Yes. I need a calculator, okay? This is the issue. I need a calculator to help my brain. Gold price in Canada. Give me the gold. Okay, I thought that TD was like having some gold price. I was like, what the fuck are you talking about, brother? Give me the ounce. That's just one mine from that region. Okay, now I'm triggered, okay? Fuck. I'm too dumb for this. Okay, so 8 million. This is 8 million. Oh, and okay, I have to assume that the, like, fucking purity is 100, right? Okay. So I was wrong at the start. Okay, this is impressive. 42 billion dollars. God damn. Holy shit. I fucking hope. That's almost like 16 gigs of DDR3. True. Oh yeah, environmental performance. I believe it. At the end of the mine, this life is going to be a big ass pit. That's all there is to be. The waste dump will be 100-meter high. Yeah. Well, it's kind of based from our Great Eagle Company. You forgot to calculate tax. No, that's the greatest part, my friend. The tax is the one that goes to me, okay? It pays for my daughter's fucking everything, okay? Daycare. Get in these tax. That's why I love taxing, okay? You gotta tax that bitch. Malartic City. Okay. Oh, wait. If it's that big, we'll find it. Nice meme. Can we do the like, ooh, you can see it from space? Bro. Wait a fucking second. This is unhinged. Okay, 5 kilometers. Let's just compare a bit. Okay, let's compare a bit. Let's compare with my city, okay? Wait. Can I, like... Okay, can I, like, remove or show more detail? Because that's like the same size, okay? Like, nice fucking... Bro. My mine. Oh wait, I can do it. Yep, so my city... If you fucking made a hole... It would be that mine. Bro, that's unhinged. My father was born in Malartic. My grandfather worked in the mines. Bro! That's unhinged. In a good way. Well, I'm not sure. For your grandfather, I'm not sure, okay? Back then, it might have been a little insane. But anyway. Oh, that's cool. That's some cool shit. You gotta, like, marvel at the quantity of fucking dirt that's being quarried out of there. That must be the biggest fucking sludge pit ever. Scale is insane indeed. Is there a bigger hole somewhere? Haha, I found it. Look, it's your mom. Okay. Oh yeah, okay, I'm sleepy. It shows. Okay. I like the fact that there's just fucking... Like, let's just do a hole there. The inevitable mom joke, indeed. Oh yeah. Aren't the copper mines more in the north in BC? Don't remember the name. Alright. Oh, that's a peak. Get me a fucking mine. Or maybe it's the future mine that are in the north. I don't know. No, those are mountains. Stop giving me mountains. Okay. Let me remember the fact that BC goes way the fuck east. I like trying to find shit. Okay, Island Valley. Do we try to find it a bit more? Tumbler Ridge. Okay, no, not wrong meme. Wrong meme. No, that's just a parking lot. Okay. Okay, just a parking lot. Brûlé Mine. No, that ain't big. A fun game for the whole family. Find the mine. Oh, man. Okay, where the fuck is it? Okay, bro, this is cheating. Well, no, it flashes. Okay. Okay, I'll take part of the blame. Is it that big, or is it like the... Bro, please. Okay. Like, that side? Bro! What the fuck is this? Who the fuck dug this? I guess we did, but... Light mode mine? Indeed? God damn, this bitch is 15 by 5 kilometers. What the fuck? I would swim in that, okay? I don't care how fucking toxic this is. I would swim in it. They're really trying to sell it, okay? Do you want a large mine? Yes. We are crazy like that. We fucking are. When we can do war crimes against human, we do war crimes against Earth. I'm all in for it. It is fucking beautiful. Yes, we got some nationalism. Wait, do they have fucking gas hooked up in there? Like, what are these? Okay, current operation. Okay, I guess it's just like a chemical thingy. Because that looks like you know what they have on the boats for gas? Look like these big fucking balls. Those are nuke silo lids based. Fallon mines. If only we had nukes. If only. God damn. Why even plan these? I want to swim in it. God damn it. Okay, enough. Fallon mines. That sounds like something that is going to pull up something I don't want to see. Ooh, a Sweden mine. It looks small. Let's check on Google Map. Even though you said that it doesn't exist. Based. Underground tours. Okay, so it's an old thing, right? It's a small little... It's a tiny little puddle! Look at this puddle! It's cute! I like the puddle, okay? I like it. God damn, what are they doing here? Why are they stretching the tits out? What the fuck? It must be for, like, storage of the refined ore? Could it? Ball mill. Okay. Toxic gas from mine, maybe? Oh, wait. Additionally, the domes at HVC, pictured left, are not only the largest representation of the Canadian flag in the world, they also reduce particulate emission by covering coarse ore stockpile. Okay, so they just put the ore there. That's kind of funny, okay? I guess the Canadians have become too dangerous. True. I'm sure that Sweden has some production, but the issue is that in... Like, I don't know. What the fuck's going on with the EU? Do you, like, produce anything? Or is this just like a meme? You're poking the earth. I gotta annex the US to protect my North Atlantic. Yes, okay. Absolutely. You know what? I have to annex the US for all the reasons. You know what, Guardian? Let's make a deal, okay? Let's broker that shit between us two, okay? So... This is the US now. Wait, fuck. Okay. This is the US now, okay? This is called the territories of southern Canada, okay? And this is called New Brazil, okay? I'm in, okay? But there's no deal. I want California, okay? Give me California. I approve this deal. Based. We got it. We got it. It's done. You'll see in the news tomorrow, okay? Iran will fall. And fucking Maine, okay? Maine will be ours, okay? Just fucking... a closed mine with underground tunnel will be less impressive on the map, but more impressive in engineering. True, I agree. For the raisin? Like the song? What? My brain? Alright, enough for today, okay? My brain's not even able to compute any shit. God damn, it's fun to look at. It's fun to look at this shit, okay? I like my mines. Can we see? Wow, the big Canadian flag. Wow. Cool. Okay. Now let's go to fucking Nunavut. Get me to Iqaluit, or whatever the fuck it's called. That was a little fucking wrong-a-rooney. Where is it? Bro. Will I find it? Will I? Isn't it somewhere here? Iqaluit? Or whatever? Bro, give it to me. Okay, on Baffin Island. Oh, okay, so it's more right than that. Yes, my RBC. Oh. God damn. I don't know why. In my mind, it was over there. Okay. This is unhinged. Why do they live here? I know why. Because we airdropped a bunch of them there. Oh, fuck. Okay. Enough. You can have California if I get Alaska. Ooh. I mean, what the fuck? I mean, Alaska. Like, okay. I would be willing, but you need to, like, give us this little part here, okay? This part should have never been US to begin with, okay? This is de jure Canadian territory. Need to keep an eye on Japan. Ooh, a YouTube video. I'm going to get rickrolled.
Honey, are you playing with your food again?
I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say to that. I bought raisins not long ago because I wanted my daughter to eat them. But she seems to like throwing them. I don't know why, but right now my brain remembers some kind of mines that, if my memory is to be trusted, actually has a villager town enclosed. Kind of funny. I don't know. I see Republican Jesus. my disciples.
A large crowd was following Republican Jesus, and as the days passed, his disciples came and said to him, "Republican Jesus, these people have been following you for 3 days, and they've become very hungry, and we only have 5 loaves of bread and 2 fish." And Republican Jesus said, "Bring the fish and the bread to me." And his disciples did. And Republican Jesus took 99% of the bread and the fish and gave the 1% back for the disciples to spread amongst the followers evenly. And the disciples said, "But how shall we feed all these people with only 1% of the bread and the fish?" And Republican Jesus said, "Why are these people always looking for a handout? They should just go out and get a job." And the disciples were in awe at Republican Jesus' wisdom.
Okay, very based. Thank you, Republican Jesus. Thank you. Okay. Yes, I understood, Nigma. I understood. Like, can we talk, like, for 2 seconds about the fact that...
We have another key race alert, this one just coming.
Like, this is dangerously becoming fucking real, okay? Why does everything the Onion does is becoming, like, so fucking real?
In from Alabama's 4th congressional district, where in a major surprise, a neo-Nazi candidate has won in what is typically a deeply Ku Klux Klan district. Jason Copeland has more. Jason, what are you seeing?
Yeah, this is a significant upset, Dwight. Nobody saw this coming. Neo-Nazi Lucas Brennan has defeated 3-term incumbent Klansman William Kent. This district has had a KKK representative in Washington for over...
Okay, that's... Oh, I like it. Oh man, news has become a fucking meme these days. News has become a meme. We all saw the fucking Dow thing, right? I'm sure Smoyoho made some fucking dough out of this. I'm going to get struck anyway. Who gives a shit?
Under penalty of perjury that the testimony you're about to give is true, so help you God. I do.
Okay. The Onion, not the liar. True. True. Raped kids, who the fuck cares? The Dow. Okay, so on this absolute lesson, we can go to sleep, okay? I need to get the fuck out. So we'll see each other tomorrow, because I'm having fun, okay? Even though I'm half dead, I'm having fun. But for now, go to sleep, okay? Bye-bye. Love you all.